In this video, you are going to learn how you can convert your Notion pages. This is a page that has been edited and customized in Notion. And how you can convert into this kind of stunning designed website with AI. Just within few clicks, you can convert your Notion pages within a beautiful, well-designed web pages. For example, this is a page, this is a resume page, and if you go here, this is designed by arco. You can see this is very beautifully well designed. See this kind of landing page, you can see this is a static landing page designed and created with Notion. And if you go here, this is an amazing design by arco. So arco is a beautiful and amazing AI tool that convert your Notion pages into stunning designed pages. You can see with the help of which you can also edit your elements and you can also make changes on your web pages. So how you can do that? Let's get started. First step is, I have given the Discord channel link in the description. You just need to go click on this channel link, and here you just need to create a Discord account. And if you have already Discord account, you can just log in with your account. Okay, so I am going to log in, and after login you will automatically join the Discord channel. Now you can see this is the Discord channel, and here you can see these are some already portfolio by some people that are working here. So you can just click here to create the websites. Here is the website, and here you just need to go and copy your Notion page. Keep in mind, the arco will only work for the published pages. For example, this is a private page, and if I click here, share, and here is the publish button, and click on publish. So you can see this is the shareable link, so I can just copy the link here. So keep in mind, the arco only converts the published pages. For example, this is my Notion page, which is designed and created by Notion. You can see this is very basic page. I just go into the Discord channel, and here just need to write the gen, and here you can see the gen Notion prompt, and here just paste the link of the Notion page. You just need to paste the Notion page link and just can enter. After a few seconds, it can take a minute, and after a few seconds it will give you a stunning results, amazing website that you can easily edit with your arco editor. You can see the status here is the generating within few seconds, or it can take a minute to generate the website for you. And our website is ready now. If you click here, you can see there is a button. Just click here and visit the website, and you can see this amazing page. Wow, this amazing page is designed by arco AI. You can see these are as amazing page. If you wanna redesign it, if you don't love this, you can just go again, and again you can just enter the prompt gen Notion, and just paste the link of your page and re-enter. It will redesign with the new layout. Every time when you enter the command, it will generate a new design for you. Okay, so this is an amazing feature. Every time when you give the command, you will get a new design by AI. You can see another design is ready for us. I've just click here and visit the website. Now you can see this is another look of the website, which is more amazing than the previous one. You can see this is a new layout. So every time when you give the prompt, you will get a new result. Let's try another example. This is my personal page. For example, this is my Notion dashboard, and this is the page that I was created on the Notion. And if you click here on the share, you can see this is the link. I just copy the link of this page, and here you can also change here into your own plus points or something like that, but I don't care. I go back into the Discord channel, and here again I enter the prompt gen Notion, and here I just enter the page link of the Notion and just enter, and it will give you as another amazing website. Now our another website is also ready. If you click here, visit the website, and let's see. Now you can see this is an amazing page how designed by the AI, and this is our amazing page that is amazingly generated. So this is not another than this. I seen the AI converter that convert your simple pages into well designed pages free of cost. Now if I want to edit these elements on the on this page, I can just click here, go to arco editor, and you can see it will allow us to edit any element that we have on the website. For example, if I click here and give the command, I just clicked on the element and given the command rewrite this hello I am Adali to hi I am Zishan. So when I enter, it will automatically change this text. You can see it is written hi I am Zishan as I was given the command. Just like that, you can change the links of these buttons by giving the command. You can also change or replace the image. For example, this image, if I want to replace image with my own image or the image from my computer, I can easily replace that. Now if I want to add a navigation menu above that, add a navigation menu, okay, above that, add a navigation menu above that goes to while clicking elements about experience, education, projects and skills on the sections. For example, these are the sections. Okay, I just enter and it will add a navigation menu above that this section. You can see a beautiful navigation menu is added. You can see education, projects and so on. You can see these are the menu items that if you want to change the text, you can also change. I just clicked on publish. Now it is published, and if you want to review that, you can see I just click on about, it is going to about, and if I click on experience, it is going to experience, and if I click on education, it is going to education. So if I again click here, I can just change the layout is. For example, if I click here and I just write the command change the, I just click here, write the command change the background to white and text to black. So it will change the background with black and text with the background with white and text with the black. Now you can see the text is black right now and the background is white. So you can see this is an amazing, I mean, you cannot imagine how this is an amazing. You can see this section is skills, and if it's a section, this sections. So here I just write the command. So I write the command change the design of skills section with the all skills and icons with more visually appealing style. So let's see what is do. You can see it is converted into very beautiful way. You can see this is an amazing. That's what I wanted. And you can also add more designs, or you can also give the commands that can improve the design of the sections or the whole page. This is an amazing. So after making all the changes that you need, or you wanna add more sections changes and change the images, as well as if you wanna redesign the sections, you can just click on publish. So the page will be published, and you can share the link to your audience and anywhere. So this is the design of our website. So here's the preview, the published version. So I just click here. So this one is the preview of the published version. So if you just copy that and open this into any other browser, for example, so it will look into the original design. You can see this is the design. So I hope you understand how you can modify the design of the developed by Arco. So this is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything for this tool. This is free of cost. You just need to go onto the Discord channel, join the Discord channel, and start creating stunning and amazing pages for you and converting the Notion pages. There are more amazing features in this channel, is for example create games, Notion to websites, I think. But I have not tested these yet, but there are some people working on that, and I think there are very interesting games as well as. But today our topic is how you can convert your Notion websites into an amazing well designed website free of cost with AI. So these are the examples I have provided. So if you have any questions about that, if you need any help, you can just comment below and let me know. I will try to give you a good response as soon as possible. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.